Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope well. So I think I mentioned to you before, there's all this construction going on in the house right next to me, and I think the construction workers are on their lunch break, so I'm gonna hurry up and do a video. I've been waiting for this and I have to run out the door soon. So today's a brand new subscription for this channel. I'm super excited. It is the My Paper box, and this is the mini one. So this is what it looks like, and this one is only $10. So what My Paper box is, it's a personalized subscription box, so you get personalized like stationery, personalized thank you cards, stuff like this. This is the mini, like I said, so this is $10 a month, and you get 3 personalized notepads, I believe. They also have a grand subscription, which I'll be getting hopefully soon. They say the end of the month, and it's pretty much that. Isn't that crazy? It's the 19th today, so. And the grand subscription is $28, and you get more things. So you get like more thank you cards and stuff like that. I've never received it before, so we'll see later on this month. But I've watched some unboxings on YouTube before, and they look really good. So I'm super excited. It comes in a bag like this. It says take note, super cute. I really like how they package it and send it. I'm glad it's not in a box because, like I have said so many times before, I just have so much clutter in terms of recycling. Like in my garage, it's full of boxes because you can only put out so much at a time. So let's get unboxing. So it's easy to open. You can just tear it here. And as always, I will leave the link below in the description box along with all my social media if you want to follow me there. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. I have been getting subscription boxes for about 6 years now, so that is what I do on my channel every single day. So if you like that kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribed. But anyways, I unboxed it, or I got this out of the bag, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's wrapped in this little piece of paper that says My Paper Box, December 2018. Super pretty with the flower details. Okay, see, I finally did my nails. No more looking at my gross purple chip nails. Okay, I probably shouldn't have turned it. Alright, so the first thing I see is this notepad. You can see it says Kitty on the top. And on the bottom, it says, isn't it funny how day by day nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is different? Super cute. So it says that in every single one of these notepads pages, and then there's a cute flower. Super cute. I really like this. I don't know about you, but I am constantly writing things down. Like I did a to-do list. I pretty much do that every morning, but I just did about an hour ago. I jotted down all the things I have to do today, so I love having stuff around like this. I keep them all over because I'm one of those people, if I don't write down a thought, sometimes I will completely forget it. So this is so useful. All right, the next thing I see is super cute. It says, remember Kitty, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. I love little positive notes like that. And this one, you tear off like this. And every page looks like it says the same thing. And there's a decent amount of pages. I would say there's at least like about 50 in here. So again, that is what it looks like. Super cute. I like the light floral details in all of these. I love flowers. All right, and the third notepad, this is the biggest one. This is what it looks like. Again, it says my name, Kitty. It's personalized. When you sign up, you will tell them what name you want on this. So if you gift it to someone else, you can put their name. So it doesn't have to be yours. You let them know when you subscribe. It's not like the name that your credit card or account's associated with. You tell them. So it says, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? And then, Kitty. Like it has this cute little flower over here. And then if you can read the words, can't tell if it's focusing, but it's written pretty in like a lighter ink. So I love this. This is super cute. I feel like I'm talking so fast because I'm afraid the construction noise will start. It's so loud. I'm like out of breath. Excuse me. So again, we get 3 for $10. This is, I think, a good deal. I love notepads, and I think personalized stuff is so cute. This would be such a cute gift idea too. If you know anyone that's like me, especially like, I'm not a mom, but especially mothers, I feel like, or women in general, we love notepads, but it can be for guys too. So like I said, it's totally personalized. You pick the name. I'm really excited to see what comes in the grand subscription. I saw someone get some cute, it was Southern Mom, she got some cute cards, and I know one of them had a cat on it. That's the one I remember, and it was super cute. And that's the third one. So yeah, I love this. I'm gonna keep one in here, one in my kitchen, and one in my living room probably. I love them, and they're so cute. Like they can really work with any decor you have in your house. So I'm super excited about this. Awesome. I'm gonna set this aside and grab my advent calendar. This is getting really light, you guys, because it's what, the 19th? Insane, right? So most of the goodies are out of here. There's only about 5 left because I think this goes through the 24th. So let's see, here is day 19 right here. And if you do not know, this is the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar, and this is full of daily goodies. So it like rotates 360 degrees. It's super cool and fun. I think this would be a great gift idea. It's a great way to try out all the stuff in their line too. And if you don't know, they're a luxury skincare brand. Ooh, what's this? Awesome. Today's the cleansing water. I love stuff like this. Like, I use micellar water all the time. And I've really never used like a luxury brand for that cleansing water. I usually just use like drugstore micellar water, so I'm really excited to try this out. It's a pretty decent size too. 30 ml, so 1 ounce. So you can even travel with this if you wanted to, which is why I love like sample size things. If you're a traveler, it's super convenient. So that concludes today's video. I know it was super short and I am talking super fast, but this is the only moment in the day I've gotten some peace and quiet, so I'm grateful for that. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description box, and look out for the grand subscription of my paper box that'll be coming soon. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.